entertainment last year, full of intensity from start to finish. So Richie invited Swazz to reason about the year that was 2025, aka Return of the World Boss year.
Yeah, I'm on the stack in IM. So I'm top in lane. Still dropping night game, dog.
Who next to the boss? Dancehall return again. It's the Vibes Cartel back punch here, the king. Get the crown, you get me I say? I see the man I say a dancehall run by the place going to Grammys and Billboard. Wherever youth right now, we say him next. You get me I say? With features from Styler G and even Jamil, Swazz Starkless. Father, what you do with? Bro, we see how do it, you get me I say? We see you have a song, Gunman Table. You get me I say?
Yeah.
Where it go on good for you, but what you think make that song really break out as all it should?
It's a case where I feel like I probably hide too much, you know what I mean? And he's not a youth where up in social media like that, so all of them think they kind of impact it. So a lot of people know the song, but them never really know me. Because even though I go places and states, enough people I say, oh, I sing the song there, you see me? So I'm just never out there, me never out there, the song out there more than me, you see me?
So basically I say that the thing I do right now, try to put the stuff out there more.
Yeah man, so we out there now man, them definitely I see we man, you see?
Next till I freeze man, still
Crown never sang them keys, it do really well.
I just a new wave man, we are show them say we know on our time, so we don't really respond to what everybody else say. We are say what we are saying, we are sing what we are singing, you see me?
So talk to me about the collaboration between you and Jamil, like how that come about?
It's a collaboration forward run by Strapland. EG make the link with me and Jamil. From me get the rhythm, my voice, my part, send it to EG, him send back for him part, and the rest of it I just magic.
No see how I feel stop me now, we kick down every gate man. How them feel for no man still a smile. Back the fight we get, but look we still a rise.
You know, we been do all these work, all of these and all of that, and then it's like it unseen. So, you know, basically put back my journey and everything in the song. So I see him think Jamila said to me, so when he hear the song, he couldn't do nothing but be real with the song to just to see him, and I think that I reason make people connect with it, you see me?
Even the visual now, it's done different cause right now, every man should have video, get she big girl in a song,
yeah.
2 car, I hate that. You look up on train, bro.
Yeah man, and little after that me say train turn over.
Cause Monday you same way, Monday you same way. Can't make the darkness dim your light. You're the journey man. So
as I'm asking, you still have dancehall. How you look to you?
Dancehall alright man, you see me? As me say, me just do my part. Me no care when nobody else do. You see me? Just do what me do. So dancehall alright.
Will you see a song them for me, you see me?
Yeah.
When you see I talk about a chop or about a scamming or them topic, why choose for go the road where most young artists in your space are trying to say, alright then, let me follow the trends and see what you think.
No, I don't have no time for that. I don't follow trend. I set my own trend, you see me? I set my own trend. Looking at me, I'm different from all of them. You see me? I don't follow people.
What makes Swazz stand out? And different from every other artist?
Remember, you know, you have different type of people out there. You know. Some of the people, them tired of the bugger. And I like me against the chopping or the trap or whatever the case might be. You know, bro. We're not against that, but I don't like for 15. I like for stand out. So my father, so you have to see that youth there and wonder who that youth there. If you listen to music and hear my song, you have to say who that. You get me I say? So me kind of made the music from a different angle where people can listen to this all 10 years down the line. You get me?
Speak of trends though, like the trend we say going to dance right now, is it like in order for the hit song or in order for bus, you have to dip on a beat where actually a run place right now, like a hot rhythm. Like what your thoughts on that though?
Not necessarily.
Because when I see you, I jump and I say authorize this, or I say yo, but the rhythm for the left it out them thing. When I see a freestyle on a hot rhythm.
No sir, we are the own thing man. Believe in what me are doing and my team and what we are working with.
At 2025, 2024, you go missing. But that thing come out, like, you know, to a music video at one point.
Yeah.
Where them see you miss and then all of a sudden people start post and start share, like, talk about that, like, where that thing, where go by doing that?
Just a misunderstanding go on this man. You see me, it's just a video clip that circulate. A music video clip at that. And you know, from one man start a rumor, you know, it just spread around, you see me? And
yeah, but you know what's funny? It's like, we've been to see a song them, we've been to see thing them, but I say people share that most. More people share that more than you sang them.
A negative self, man. A negative self.
Like, how that make you feel, or that make your meds do?
It does make me meds.
They have so many projects out there, so many videos, so many songs.
Yeah.
You see people know you and say them love you.
Yeah.
Them not share, but the moment they hear say something really put into the career.
Right.
Something negative, everybody start running and start pushing.
One thing me can tell us still, you know, from me, you know myself and hear people talk about even dancehall overall. The industry, people love negativity, people love comedy for a while. You see me? When I clone out yourself and every thing. Them jump more for the thing and we not no substance. Me not sell gimmicks, me not sell lie, me not sell. Me just be me, you see me? So when the people them gravitate. If it take me 10 years, you see me? Because I stay true to myself. You see me?
Speaking of years, so like talk to your plans for this year though, 2026. Like what's the next move?
For run the place, man.
Run
the place, man. Yeah, man. Just look out.
Just something can check off here right now, why run the place?
Keys. I have a new thing named Keys. Yeah, man, we're going good. Buy me whip cash and me no offer. A millions we lodge down a Scotia. Like them a tell, them a capper, them a joker. So when the boss a shut your mouth, talk less.
Swazz.
Bye.
Last and final Swazz, talk to me. What makes Swazz talk less intense?
Blow your eye them. Nobody no safe.
Mother mean.
Believe.
The man's around the place, check him out. Swazz talk less intense. Man.
We know.